Hi guys, welcome back to 5-Day Crypto. My name's Chase. Today is Wednesday, December 30th of 2020. And today we're going to give you a brief update on Chainlink. On this channel, we try to give you one or two bits of information on a daily basis to try to keep you updated on each and every move and hopefully help you make money and not make all the mistakes that I've made being in crypto the past 4 years or so. So with that, we'll go ahead and jump in. There's a lot of fear going on in the markets for Chainlink specifically, maybe some false news out there. So we're going to look at that today, and also hopefully we'll put your mind at ease a little bit for the macro trend for the Link. Show you a couple moves, give you a price prediction on where we could be headed once we break out of the level that we're at now, and what we're looking for going into Q1 of 2021. So let's go ahead and look. So if we look on our chart here, this is the Link US dollar on the daily, and our short-term move that we have hopefully just started. We have a low, we have higher lows, higher lows, higher lows. So we'll see. We'll keep an eye on this. We have our 200-day moving average. We want to keep an eye on that on the daily chart. That is a good moving average to watch. Usually an important level. If we move up to a higher time scale, I know we've talked about the 21-week a lot. We also have the 50-week, which comes into play usually on bigger wicks, as you can see here. Now we have 4 days, 9 hours now. We want to close this body of this candle above this yellow line. This is our 21-week EMA. That's the exponential moving average. And if we can do that, I think we're solid. We're going to hopefully be moving back up after that. So look for that. We have 4 days, 9 hours. So now let's get to the bigger trend that I was talking about and see if I can show you something maybe you've never seen before. So if we go to the all button here, this will show a link on the monthly, you can see on the top left here. And if we look at this, I know my video yesterday I talked about maybe a macro trend bull flag. So if we draw this, we want to go for our breakout. See this top here, this top here. So our top here, you're going to draw your base from that to the top of the wick. Okay, from here down, right? Okay, still good. Our next one, go for your bottom of your lowest candle. Okay. Now, since these are monthly slots, we have all of January. We could range bound in this as well, potentially February as well. But if we're on a log scale here, and we can move the chart up around. So if we start breaking out above this in January or February, we can take the flagpole of this on a log scale. It will actually change. I will show you this. I don't know if you've ever seen this. See how it gets shorter and longer? So it's because it's on a log scale, and this will actually give you an estimate of where our next top will be after we break out of this pennant that we're in. So if it goes January, right here, if we break out, our next top, a good selling point, if you want to sell a little bit, would be almost at $30. Sounds pretty nice. Now, a lot of people think that Link is going to go much higher than this when it breaks out, but that's a pretty big move. If we go over and measure where that is now, and that's about 2 months' time. See the 59D, 59 days. That is what, 110% increase in 2 months. I would take that right now. Wouldn't you like to have your portfolio twice of what it's valued at right now? Sounds pretty awesome. The next 2 months, that we're looking at March. I'll take that. So we're looking in February, if it happens in February, see about the same, right? $28. That will put us right into April. So we'll have to see. We'll keep up with this. Again, we're here every day. I do this full time. If you have any questions, I'm happy to help. If you have any suggestions, I'm happy to take them. If you guys like me to be a little bit more serious and more professional like this, I can do that. I've also done some sillier videos or some funny stuff, so let me know what you think. This is kind of a new channel, so I'm just trying to get my footing here. But if you guys like something or want to see something else, different coins, I'm open to all that. Just let me know what you're feeling. Let me know what you've seen on other channels that you like, what you don't like. I've watched a lot of people as well. Being in the crypto for 4 years, I've watched a lot of people. I can give you some suggestions on good people to watch. I have nothing to sell you ever. There's a lot of people that just want to sell things, say they want to help you, but then they want thousands of dollars for courses or join their, whatever. I'm not doing that. I do this for fun. I do this to help you. This is how I make my living full time. So I don't need to make any money off of you. I have nothing to ever do that. I'm not interested in doing that. So I'm just trying to help you on a daily basis. Have some fun. I like to do a car little segment. I'm into cars. I love cars and I love crypto. So why not throw some model cars in there every now and then. I know some people maybe not like it. You can just stop the video or skip it. That's fine. So with that being said, let's do our car of the day. And that is going to be none other than our 2020 Corvette C8 Stingray. This is the new one. It was just redesigned. Came out earlier this year. One of my neighbors actually got one of these. Good friend of mine. Looks just like this. Whoop, camera angles. But pretty awesome. What do you guys think about the Corvette? I love it. I think it looks great. Starting to get more Italian exotic car-ish. Ferrari. Looking kind of like Ferraris, right? So that's it. I'll leave you some real pictures right here. Also, guys, if you head over to Twitter, hopefully you guys all follow Chainlink, their official channel. Has to be like this one. But these guys are constantly adding new projects. You look on this one, this was over the summer, obviously, but this is probably their biggest thing they got going for them. They partner with Ethereum and Google. Read this story here. It's a little long, but I mean, it's worth the read if you've got some time. But I mean, this is today. This is an hour ago. They're adding projects on a daily basis, so don't let the fear of they're going to be investigated by the SEC after XRP. That's not true. That was by one news outlet, and that was proven false. So don't be ridiculous, guys. Don't listen to everything you hear on the internet. Even me. Do your own research. Don't always listen to what you see one time. Everybody does that. You hear one thing one time, and that's the way it is. That's not accurate. Look for yourself. Okay? Look at all these projects. These are from them, okay? So when you hear stuff, go over to their channel. Go to the horse's mouth, so to speak. The horse's mouth. Well, that's it for that. You can also follow us. And when I say us, I mean just me. 5-Day Crypto. That's me right there. I don't know where I got this. I just loved it. Means nothing. It's my time now. Put this up on Twitter the other day for it's Chainlink's time to move. Ethereum was moving. Pretty funny. I liked it. I'll leave you with our quote of the day. For those of you that made it this far, really appreciate it. You're the best. 50 gold stars. See you right back here for New Year's Eve tomorrow. Thanks so much, guys.